my teacher name is Zafar Yarisa. Today is the topic of I belong to the Teachers Public High School Nashari. Today is the topic of my speeches in the Commission. I am delighted to stand before you on this auspicious occasion of Syndicate Day. Today we come together to celebrate the rich tapestry of Syndicate, a heritage that has withstood the test of time. Simran, for its vibrant traditions, has gifted the world with a cultural mosaic that reflects the resilience and diversity of its people, from the melodious tunes of Sindhi music to the intricate artistry of it. Every aspect of this culture tells a story of history, unity, and pride. Let us take a moment to appreciate the warmth of Asante hospitality, the delectable flowers of Asante cuisine, and the timeless poetry that echoes through our lives. Sindhi culture is not just a celebration, it's a reminder of the values, customs, and shared identity that bind us together. So here, to Sindhi Culture Day, a day to honor, cherish, and pass on the legacy of Sindh. May the spirit of the celebration inspire us to appreciate the beauty in our differences and unite us in the common thread of humanity. Thanks, Sarah.